Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make part of an image transparent in photograph. Let's begin. First of all, open your image, then unlock the image, right click, convert to smart object. Again right click on your mouse, rasterize layer. Then you can use selection tool, rectangle selection tool or ellipse selection tool. Press delete. This transfer it. Press Ctrl D. Back. Use magic wand tool for single color selection, quick selection tool, selection object. Example, use quick selection tool. Then first of all select the leaf. Okay, then press delete on your keyboard or again back, go to select tab, in bar selection, remove to the selection, use this selection. Press delete on your keyboard or create a press Ctrl I. Right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize layer. Then go to file, export as PNG. Save. Name, change your name. Save. Apply. See this transparent part of image. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.